Lee here with HPS Flooring to talk about a food processing flooring job we performed for CJ Foods in Robbinsville, New Jersey. This 115,000 square foot flooring install is the latest in a string of jobs we here at HPS Flooring are proud to show you. In this video, I will focus on the prep and installation phase. The concrete slab was a fresh pour, so after waiting 60 days for the concrete to finish setting, we began the prep process. Since the concrete slab was in pristine shape, we decided that diamond grinding wasn't required, and we decided to go with shot blasting since we didn't need as much of a mechanical profile. This made the prep phase go much faster. The shot blasting was done in phases as we were not the only trade on site, and we needed to work together with the other trades to make sure this job was finished on time. Each phase of work had its own unique requirements. In many of the rooms we installed cold face. In some we installed drains. In 3 of the rooms we installed an ESD system, but the majority of it was urethane cement. There was roughly 20,000 square feet of gray urethane cement, and the other 80,000 square feet was a custom tint we called CJ Green. The major prep work that was done could be summarized as the following. We edged beneath any permanent equipment and at all corners using diamond cup wheels. We created keyways at all termination points to ensure ideal thickness and a seamless transition. We vacuumed the entire area to ensure a direct bond and a clean work area, and we taped at all terminations to ensure clean, straight lines. As you can imagine, with 115,000 square feet, this was a massive amount of prep. If you could please stay tuned for the second part of this project where we showcase the finished floors. In the meantime, visit us at www.highperformancesystems.com or give us a call at 800-928-7220.